Oh my god. No, don't say anything. No, stop.
Uh, all right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about polar equation. Yeah. All right, so shh. So do you guys know Cartesian coordinate? What's Cartesian coordinate?
Cartesian? Oh, Cartesian. Cartesian plane? Yeah. Whoa. It's a different. Got it on like that.
Yeah. No, Cartesian coordinate is just normal x and y. Now, some people they call it rectangular coordinate.
No, that's kind of lame.
Oh, yeah, I know what it is. It's like when it's like.
And the reason why they have a coordinate system is because it was a mathematician. Look on a spider web. And the spider web, he see a bunch of square. And he say, oh yeah, I should do math with that squares.
X negative 1.
So
X1.
what are you talking about? It's just normal x and y, like 2, 3.
It's like how you notate a point. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about what's polar coordinate.
Alright.
It's just an x value.
The polar coordinate is gonna be composed of r and data.
Hey, you can make the arc length of
I
that.
thought we were done with that. Okay.
R and data. So there's a radius. Well, we actually supposed to call it a pole. Yes, you did this in pre-calc.
I paid attention to pre-calc and I still don't remember this.
I didn't.
Because you didn't have father Chaparro.
Chaparro was. It was like converting into polar equation and stuff.
Okay, so that just say if I have this one is gonna be 2, 2 or whatever. So I'm gonna give you a polar coordinate. For example, the polar coordinate is gonna be pi over 6. And sorry, the other way around. 2 and pi over 6. So 2 and pi over 6. So that means I'm gonna go 2 units. So it's gonna be a circle here.
Oh wait, I think I pi over 6.
And then it's gonna be a circle here. Oops.
Oh.
Yo, they knew exactly what shape you were trying to. Okay, that's pretty nifty.
Nifty.
Mr. Gagan, tech savvy over there.
Hey Siri, it's a reminder to bring a compass.
You don't need to bring compass.
You gotta explain what you know. It just tells you the angle you're moving and how far you're moving.
Okay, so that means at 2 rings, right? 2 ring, that means radius 2. And at pi over 6, pi over 6 is roughly like this. So I'm gonna say pi over 6 right here. It's roughly like this. This is pi over 6. Now this is a pi over 6. We're gonna call it theta is equal to pi over 6. Now this point here is called 2 pi over 6. Why? Because you go into the second ring, which is second radius, and then that is going to be pi over 6. So, but is that point is always 2, 1? No, it's different. So if you look at here, if I draw a straight line here, there is a y value of the things. And actually here, there is a x value. And not only that, here there's a r, which is a hypotenuse. So 2 pi over 6 is going to be like that. But what is 2 pi over 6 in terms of rectangular coordinates? That could be a problem, right? We want to figure out what is it. So I'm going to show you an equation. And this equation is how do you convert from polar to rectangular. So x equal to r cosine theta, y is equal to r sine theta. You have to memorize this, but you already did. Because a long time ago, you remember SOHCAHTOA. Because cosine theta is equal to x over r, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. This one is sine of theta is equal to y over r. Okay, so this convert back to here, you say, okay, I know there's two equations.
Wait.
I just move r to the other side, so it'll be x equal to r cosine theta. Y is equal to r sine theta. Now this is used for what? Convert polar to rectangular. Convert polar to rectangular. And this you should learn in pre-calc. Did you learn this in pre-calc?
Yeah.
Robert, who you have? Yes, Paul?
I remember this.
The Cartesian coordinates.
I never-
Because then we did something with like unit circle, we had to go like
On
inverse or whatever.
on a map, like cartography. And
Yeah.
the polar coordinates look like longitude and latitude.
I remember
so the
pre-calc, I had to get a
poles
tutor
matter.
because
Actually,
I
that-
Oh,
It's
that's
where
really
you
good.
can see the rings going out. That's why it's called
that
polar.
killed me.
That's really
I
good.
did arm
The
side,
Cartesian
muscle,
coordinates look like a map, longitude and latitude, because it's like a bunch of squares. But the polar is like if you're looking from the North Pole, because then the latitude.
Very, very cool. All right.
I
So-
know this.
One thing that you have to understand is you can use this to convert it. Will,
Yeah.
shut up or get out.
Alright, ooh.
So you got to understand that you can use this to convert. So for example, if I want to convert this 2 and pi over 6, I want to convert it. I just plug in x equal to 2 cosine of pi over 6 and y equal to 2 sine of pi over 6. And that's equal to 2 times square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3. Does that make sense? And that's 2 times 1/2,
It just goes to 1.
and that's 1. So the polar coordinate, the rectangular coordinate here is just going to be square root of 3 and 1.
The whole unit.
No,
Oh.
it gets harder.
This is
It always does.
We should take a unit test on justice. I think I could do that.
I know you can do it.
I still don't think I would. No. Hold on. Give me a few days.
Xavier's like, I don't get it. Give me a moment. It's not that deep. It's okay. You got this.
This is like squares and circles now. Like, what?
No, it's converting between circles and squares, but not
Yes.
really.
What is that squiggle symbol mean?
Okay, so now I just changed from 2 to pi over 6 to square root of 3 and 1. It's possible to change square root of 3 and 1 to 2 and pi over 6. Yeah, it's possible. So we need to know one more thing. One more thing here is this. Tangent theta is equal to y over x. We already know that. We have sine, cosine. Now we have tangent. We also know Pythagorean identity, x squared plus y squared. But instead of equal to hypotenuse squared, we're going to call this r squared.
Oh, like for circles.
Like the coordinate.
Yeah, like x plus, like x minus h. And then like.
So this place is called a pole. This here is called a pole.
But what exact? Like that radius right there.
Yeah, just like what he said, it's like a north pole. It's like if you're looking for the north pole, that is your pole.
What?
So hold on. Is the
Is the
origin
R
of
the
the
pole?
pole?
Origin is a pole.
Yeah,
The origin. Okay.
that's what I thought.
Origin is pole. Pole.
Also circle the origin, because it kind of looks like you're labeling the line itself.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this is the pole. This is the polar coordinate. Oh, sorry, the other one. So this one is polar coordinate.
I'm glad 0 and 0 is the same in that
But that can be-
Joint fluid is funny. It's like having oil
What's
for
that?
joint fluid.
It's basically WD-40.
Yeah, for people.
All right, so you guys understand this? So now I'm gonna say, hey, let's convert this back. We have square root 3, comma, 1. How do I change to polar?
I don't know.
Arc
Two comma-
cosine divided by 1 will give you x, and arc sine divided by 1. Or not 1.
So can I just use the tangent formula first? 1 over square root 3, which is we don't know, but we can always rationalize this. Yep, that's just gonna be pi over 6. That's exactly correct. And then you got x squared plus y squared. Go to r squared,
Let's see.
Yeah.
and that's gonna be square root 3 squared plus 1 squared equal to r squared. So r squared is equal to 4. R is equal to 2.
Wow.
So you convert back to and pi over 6. You just change it back from here to here. So you should be able to convert from one coordinate to the other coordinates.
Where's the
But what's interesting thing is this, though. There are infinite amount of polar coordinate can represent one single rectangular coordinate. Infinite amount.
Why could the radius just be bigger?
No, the radius is not going to be bigger, but the angle can always change. So for example, this here, you can have equal to this, right? Or you can also be same as -2. -2. You're like, wait, what's -2? Yeah, -2. 7 pi over 6.
You do that.
So what does that mean? That means I'm going on this direction, 7 pi over 6, right? If I go all the way here, but instead of using positive r, I go negative r. I go back exact same coordinates. So there are infinite amount of coordinates. -2, 7 pi over 6, it also represents same exact spot.
So can we also say 2 comma 7 pi over 6? Oh no, you put -2 comma 7. Okay.
No, that will be on the third quadrant. But -2 is going to give you the opposite direction. Negative is going to give you opposite side.
It's only a 180 degree.
Does that say pi over 6 or 7 pi over 6?
7 pi over 6.
Okay.
So he didn't move a full rotation, so he changed the radius to make it negative, so it flipped it
So
to
it's
the other
literally
side.
a pole.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Could you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say, could you do 213 pi over 6?
Yeah.
And then
They're all the same. So they will say infinite amount of representation. Actually, each circle has 2 representation of same coordinates. They are infinite amount because you can rotate as many circles as you want.
Are we gonna have to answer with that thing where you answer like
Plus 2 pi k.
KEZ, like where it's every integer,
Wax doll,
and we
why
have to like come up with a statement that represents every possible answer? Or are we just gonna like write?
You know how you said like plus 2 pi n after like everything?
Are we gonna? do
Yeah,
that?
but it's plus m pi. It's a negative r plus m pi. It's gonna be because it's gonna be exact same coordinate.
Yeah, he meant like for the answer for something. Let's say it was.
It's actually
Oh,
not a-
yeah, it would be plus n pi.
No, it's actually
Wait.
it's either is r theta plus 2 m pi, or the same as a negative r theta plus m pi. It's like the same thing.
Yeah.
because you're gonna, if it's a negative r, it's gonna be theta plus n pi. If it's 180 degree, go to the other side of the direction, and that'll be negative r. So this represents exactly the same. So is that okay?
Yeah. Understood.
What is
They're
that? Plus
kinda-
N pi mean?
Right.
So
It means like all the other, like,
rotation.
kind of like it would be equal to.
Yeah. So the n here has to be odd. Yeah, you
Yeah, I
cannot
was about to say.
you cannot plus 2 n pi because you 2 is still is n, but n has to be odd.
Because then you could end up on the same one as the first statement and it'd be wrong.
Wait,
That doesn't make sense.
One.
Because you're doing half rotations for that one, but if you did
Oh.
the even ones as well, it would be the same. The
Do
one
we
with-
do 2n plus 1 then?
2n plus 1 will be good too.
Yeah, that's how I would write it. I'm gonna write 2 and plus
Yeah,
1.
because if you
You can write down a 2n plus 1 here. You can say that's equal to 2n plus 1.
did
Still we're applying it.
Yeah, so I'll be 2n plus 1 pi is better.
Yeah.
So let me change it to 2n plus 1, 2n pi plus 1. So 2n plus 1 pi. Is that okay?
Yeah,
yeah, that makes sense.
we just solved that.
Okay, so the next one, is that okay so far? So you can convert polar to rectangular, rectangular to polar. Now we're going to teach you how to graph polar equation. We have a coordinate. We also have equation. So polar equation. Okay, polar equation. Got it? So you can graph three different things. A, r is equal to 2. How do I graph r equal to 2?
Well, the circle is like a radius, it has a radius of 2.
There you go. It's actually super easy. You are absolutely right.
That's
That means the hypotenuse of the triangle is gonna be 2 as well.
Or
true.
there's infinite amount of triangle there. Well, it's not on axis, but okay. So B, how do I graph theta is equal to pi over 3?
You just draw line out from an angle.
Like a legend.
And you just go.
It'd be like
You are exactly right, actually. So pi over 3.
Nice one.
So that here is the pi over 3. Okay, so this all C's easy equation, right? C.
Whoa, sorry. No, you can show that.
oh, so now the radius changes. Now it's a radius with a variable. in it.
R equal to secant theta. Now this one's interesting. I want you guys to think about it. What will be equation for this one? It's actually super easy if you think
Be
about.
R over X.
Wait, secant is
Yeah.
so. Yeah, R over X. Yeah.
No.
Wouldn't it just?
Never mind.
Because then that would be tangent
Plug in,
on the right side, right? Because if you multiply or divide,
Sorry, 1 over cosine.
it'd actually be.
Can I move to the other side?
Yeah, cosine's like that.
What is R cosine though?
That's x.
Just X.
X equals 1, baby. That's freaking x equals 1. You guys didn't even know that yet.
No, we didn't.
I had done that, and I was trying to figure out what you guys were doing.
Oh, we're just trying to figure it out.
That's
Hey,
R
I didn't buy an x. And I was like, what?
When the
Well,
radius
that's
is
what secant is.
secant.
I guess.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a couple questions. Ask you to think about it.
Hold on, I'm still thinking about this one.
Are you sure? You just wrote secant and multiplied both sides by cosine, and we already established that r times cosine is the conversion to x.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert the following thing. So can you convert -3 to rectangular polar?
He just told us what it was.
-1.
And then can you convert 4 square root 3 over -4 to polar? And how about 3 7 pi over 4? Can you convert this to rectangular?
Remember they.
Yeah, if you convert to polar, they are infinite answer. I just need one. Now your next test is a little bit harder. How do I convert this?
Harder than the last one.
Yeah, how do I convert this to polar equation? So not only you have to convert,
Oh, we have to find the radius.
and you have to show all work. You have to show all the work. How do I convert rectangular equation to polar equation?
Radius of 2.
Yes, but how do you convert it properly? No, how do you convert it properly?
You want us to answer it, or do you want us to do it?
I want you to do it. Using the equation. Equation's your best friend.
Okay, wait, so that's, are we converting it to polar?
Are we doing the first three first, or are we?
Yeah, first 3 first, and we're gonna convert. We're gonna talk about how to convert the polar equation.
Actually, -1.
What's
You
10?
gotta do a little thing. I can't do tangents.
Wait. Does
No.
that have to be on the right side? Maybe on the left side. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yeah, so it is.
Yeah?
I think yeah, it could definitely be on the left side, especially with
Alright.
that negative radius. Oh, actually, no, wait. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. I think.
Well, it doesn't have two values.
Oh, why don't you just have a bigger
Can we choose the first value?
just have a bigger
Let me double check.
don't make the radius negative, just have a bigger angle.
What? Wait, so you know how like tangent is gonna equal -1? Do we choose the first value for that or the second value? Do we choose the first one that pops up?
Tangent theta.
In this example, that would be
You say there can be two values.
6.
Sure can.
Students should now be math
Oh no, isn't it?
See, it's different.
It's gonna be.
It means the same thing, right? So
Oh, we're gonna use tangent, correct.
you get two values there.
I'm saying like you can
You can have a positive radius and negative radius,
It
yeah.
doesn't feel like it should be a
Just
upload,
take
you
one
know what I'm
for
saying?
that, and then.
Should draw a circle that goes through 3.
What was it?
They're two different poles.
Tangent theta equals
Yeah,
x over
fine.
y,
Yeah.
which is equal to
How do they know?
no with y over x. Wait. Y over x.
It's gonna be pi over 4 with a radius that is bigger than 3.
So tangent's -1. Therefore, it's gonna be 3 pi over 4.
4, yeah.
And then with the radius being 3, I would say.
Oh, it's not tangent of -1, it's tangent equals negative.
So it's 3
And
times
theta
those.
equals.
Which would be 2 pi. So
Then
now
R
they
equals
have-
root
we have
8
3 pi over 4 as our
Theta
theta
right
right there. We just gotta find the foot in R.
We haven't done trig in a while.
Okay, and then this is where it's x squared plus y squared equals r squared.
It's like a circle.
So it's negative 3 squared plus 3 squared, which is that is 18 to, and the root of 18 will be our answer for
I got the first one.
R equals -18.
3 power 4.
So, and then now we have to make this a coordinate, so we need to -18, comma, 3 pi over 4. There we go.
2 times
And
2
when we get-
root 8.
I think we have to do it with the infinite answers,
No,
right?
no, he said only one answer.
Root
Oh,
8
right.
equals 5.
Only one. I mean, if you can give me a couple answer, which is good, but only one.
I'll do the infinite answer version.
Oh, 18, not root 8.
Yeah. That's not the coordinate.
Name.
We're not kind of bored with it.
-1 over root 3, which is negative
But then you-
3 over 3.
So you can simplify that to
That's still
3
like
times.
And what's the, would you?
Then all the whiteboards have stuff on them.
So what is the polar on the first one?
It's square root of 18,
No,
comma,
it's
3
not
pi over
Square root of 18 can simplify down to what?
3 times 4.
3 root 2, right? Right?
On that?
3 root 2 and then 3 pi over 4. I can live with that.
Okay, then
I got that.
x squared plus, x squared plus, oh, sorry.
Where?
Theta is 10 is 1.
What is the next one?
Still working on that.
8 comma 5 pi over 6.
No, 11 pi over 6. Oh, yeah, that's
Well, no,
11 pi over 6 is better.
because it's negative pi over 6, negative pi.
What? I was like, negative root 3 over 3. Is that pi over 3?
why does it matter which way it is?
Wait, which one is it?
I mean, it's
No,
both,
that's-
I think.
Which one?
What's the tangent?
What did you say, Robert?
I said 5 over 6.
Because
5 pi over 6 is on the third quadrant.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it works.
Except for it's negative pi over 6.
But
so
the-
then you write this
You want it to be at a fourth
If
quadrant.
it's negative pi
You
over
wanna
6,
you wanna
then
be
I
a
have
full
11 pi over
quadrant though,
6.
Why?
Yeah, why?
because this is a x, this is a y, right? This is at a fourth quadrant, right?
Got it. Okay. That makes
4
Oh, so that's how you determine that?
negative 4 is right here.
Ah, that's how you turn.
Whoa, hold on.
Because I was
What
like,
did you just do?
No, we're gonna act like that's like a normal number thing. So since it's negative 4.
because I was just thinking the tangent was negative 1 over 3, and I was like, okay, well, that gives me, 5 pi over
Yeah, but it's negative 1 over 3. So negative 1 over 3 is 5 pi over 6. Oh, you say, huh? What's your answer again?
5 pi over 6.
Then you should have a negative r. You can have 5 pi over 6 and have a negative 8. You can have a negative 8 and 5 pi over 6.
sense.
But 8 has to be 11 pi over 6.
Oh my god, 16 times.
Right.
What's 16 times?
But I would only figure that out by like looking at where it is. Like, by figuring out where it is.
Yes, because you have to recognize where the which quadrant is at a fourth quadrant, and you can tell from like taking the coordinates right away. So you have to choose the right value.
What's 16 times 3? What?
48.
Oh, did you do that?
So that all we do is.
I'm confident.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Last one's what?
3 root 2 over 2, comma, negative 3 root 2 over 2.
Wait, what's 48 plus 15?
3 root 2,
Get it right.
and then what?
It's divided by 2. 3 root 2 over 2.
And then the same thing but negative.
Yeah, negative.
Negative root 2 over 2?
Yep.
Okay, so okay, yeah, that's fine. You can convert it. That's easy. Okay, now your next obstacle. How do I convert this to the polar equation?
I haven't even gone to the third
Oh, I
one.
thought we haven't even done the third one.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, can you give me
Here, I'll
I need
give
a
you
time
a
for the third one?
like tomorrow.
Well, you would take the root of 4, because that's going to be your r. That's pretty easy, right?
Yeah, Uche wants to show it algebraic. Wants us to show it algebraically because he's like, yeah, it's r equals 2.
Okay,
but
so
why?
you do x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and then r squared equals 4 squared, and then the root of both r equals
You're saying
plus or
Wait.
minus 2.
Why can't we just write r equals 2?
Literally r equals plus or minus 2, Get it right.
Whoa.
Oh, there.
So I'm trying to do
I'm
it.
not be a hater, but he's wrong.
Wait, Mr. A, can you explain it? How to do the third one?
Using this equation,
Which one?
I'm trying to use the
You use either or?
no, use the x and y. You have two coordinates.
Okay, cosine
Oh,
theta equals x over r, right?
that's why I was confused. Because we put it in times 6. It's like,
Which
why
is
is it
equal
equal
to-
to?
Oh, we don't know what x is, man.
We do not. We have r. We have a data, right? 3 cosine of 7 pi over 4 and 3 sine of 7 pi over 4, and that's easy answer. So I move on. So here I want to be more specific on this one. I understand where you come from. You says r squared is equal to 4, but I want to show you something else. There's a little bit more to that. So right here, because later on you're probably gonna need this type of help. X is equal to r cosine theta, and then square. Does that make sense? Plus r sine theta square is equal to 4. Is that okay? So r square cosine square theta plus r square sine square theta is equal to 4. Then-
Identity.
I can factor out r square. Cosine square theta plus sine square theta is
That's
equal to
one.
4. So r square times 1 equal to 4. R is equal to 2. Because later on you need it. I'm not saying right now you don't need it. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying later on you need it. The idea of be able to convert from one type of equation to the other type of equation.
Okay, now for the angle, right? How do we do that?
Don't you mean plus or minus 2, Mr. A?
No, I hear we're just near r equal to 2 because r equal to 2 is enough.
But when you take the root of both sides, it's plus or minus, Mr. A.
Okay, fine.
It's plus or minus.
Bottom one.
Okay, so what I want to do is
Wait, cosine of 7 pi over 4.
I just write down for Andrew.
Negative
So are we
No,
right?
pi over
R
4.
is.
Yes, it is.
Oh, you're right.
Negative pi over 4.
Okay, so
Saves you a little time to do it that way.
so how do I convert x y is equal to 4?
Which is negative.
Oh, you plug in r cosine of theta times r sine of theta, which would give you r squared cosine sine.
Yeah, so it'd be r cosine theta
Wait, no.
times
No.
r sine theta is equal to 4.
Sorry, how do you know x times y is 4?
Oh yeah, what did we get?
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying let's start with the equation. I'm gonna convert that to polar equation.
Oh, this is a new problem.
So r square be cosine theta sine theta equal to 4.
Wait, this was
Okay,
something.
yeah,
You can move it to the other side if you want. So r square is equal to 4 secant theta and the cosine theta. I mean, sorry, not cosecant theta.
Okay, that makes sense.
You can even square root both sides. I don't really care, but the same thing. You just convert everything to r.
What's our final answer?
That'll be it. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna ask you last one. How do you convert polar? So this is the polar equation actually. So so r equal to let me give you, let's say 6 sine of theta. So how do I convert this to rectangular?
Is that an r? R equals 6?
You can plug in x plus y. No.
No, it's not. X plus y does not equal to r.
You could solve for r
Sine of theta equals
in terms of x plus
y.
Divide by 6.
R.
That doesn't get you anywhere.
Wait, can we do sine of 0 and then just like. No, it's
that
0.
one thing?
Sorry, that's 0.
You could do x secant.
It's like,
Divide
no, it's when you line them both up.
Yeah, because
We don't have-
equals
we don't
r
have to do
cosine of theta.
Oh,
So
I got it.
x secant equals
No, you don't.
I do. Simple
Yeah.
You want to bet?
But like,
You're probably not supposed to do it.
yeah, because we don't have the.
So some most intuitive thinking is probably
Isn't R just 6?
no
I got squared equals 6.
r squared equal to what? y6y.
Did sine of theta is equal to y over r.
You ate all my cheese.
I did it. Sorry.
Oh my god. Barnacles.
How's he gonna maintain his salary content?
Because I said that earlier, so I just plugged in y over r with sine theta, and then I multiplied r equals sine theta. We over got r squared equals 6.
It's like what? It's 150.
But then I don't know what to do.
Okay, no, you're doing good. You're doing good. So some people did offer a very good suggestion. Robert says, "Hey, sine theta equal to y over r," but you know that's also gonna give you the right answer. So I'm gonna show you a different way to look at it. Is I want to knock out two birds with one stone. First, I want to have a r squared and r present at the same time. Why do I do that? I can multiply both sides by r. Then that's going to be r squared equal to 6r sine theta. And r sine theta is what?
Why?
I squared 6y. Now r squared is also known as x squared plus y squared.
Ooh.
Now what's cool is this. You can move to the other side.
Oh, because Arsenal is one.
0. Okay. Complete the square.
Oh, wait. Dude is completing the square right now.
So I can plus 9 on both sides. So that's going to be x squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 9. So it's actually a circle.
Yeah, please go back.
Hold on. I'm gonna get,
solve from there.
it's actually a circle. It's going to be y equal to 3 and radius 3. So this is going to be a circle right here. Something like that. They did not make a circle. That's so disappointing. There you go.
Wouldn't the point be on the y-axis still though?
Oh yeah, you're right. I don't know why I put that one. So but anyway.
I get the idea. That's pretty nifty.
Why do we have y minus 3 squared?
So will that always work if you just multiply everything by r? Like, will there always be some way to solve it like that?
Yeah.
Cool.
A lot of time it is somewhere to solve it.
Oh, so we solve with r equals 3.
There was two tricks. One is just knock out two per one stone. But what Robert says actually makes sense. Because Robert says I can convert a sine theta is equal to y over r. So then you still have to multiply r on both sides. So it's going to get r squared equal to 6y. But you just have to change the r squared to x squared plus y squared. So then you can complete a circle, complete a square, then you can complete the circle. You can figure out what equation is this. So it turns out this is one of the polar equation. I'll give you one for you guys to think about. This one's a very easy one.
Just give me one to think. Why isn't the circle like below? Like, why isn't the center below the?
Like, that's just not where the pole is. The pole and the origin are different.
Okay, so no, why is that? Is it the circle equation is
How do you
x minus h squared plus y minus k squared.
y
Then you
minus
set
k squared? Okay, then I
So,
understand.
the center is opposite from the parentheses. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So
and then y plus k.
now I'm gonna give you a question. See what do you guys think? R equal to secant of theta, tan of theta. This is a very, very famous equation.
Familiar. And you take the grid in.
No,
Is there any derivative?
no, not yet, not yet. We're gonna do derivative.
Time for you to get
a timekeeping device. 11:54.
Very famous equation. Come on, Robert.
This equation is famous.
Like you can. Let's go. You see, guys, we actually gotta take the integral, not the derivative.
Tangent is.
No, just multiply everything by r, goofy goofball.
No, because if we have the integral, it's 1/2 r squared. And then, then it'd be 1/2 r squared equals secant x.
So it'd be
Secant theta.
sine theta over cosines.
Is that not right, Michigan?
Both sides.
Cosines.
It's some equation you know right away.
Yeah, the integral.
An equation we know. Okay, so that would be x over cosine.
Sine over cosine squared.
I got cosine. Is it x squared? Cosine squared equals
How would one go about solving this problem?
I'm telling you, it's like r squared equals 2 times secant theta. And then,
X over r.
and therefore r cosine theta. Okay.
We got shush.
Y over r over x squared over r squared.
Michigan, we have like 1 minute, so.
I'm not gonna tell you because you guys are not trying to think.
Y over x squared. So would I solve for y?
I think we're only solving for r.
I got y equals x squared is my final answer.
I did not.
Mr. Ye, show me the proof already.
Andrew is right.
Yay!
Y is equal to what? X squared?
I got it y equals x squared.
So it is cosine squared theta equal to x squared?
What?
Is cosine squared
Y
theta
over r equals sine
like
y,
time-
x over r equals cosine squared.
r times
Y over
cosine
r
squared
over
theta is
x
not
squared
equal
over
to
r squared.
Why do you have
Those
cosine
first
squared though?
r's cancel out. and
You
then
should only
just
have r
and
cosine
r
theta.
Divide to 1, so then it's 1 equals y over x squared.
So when you
So you just
simplify this equation, you're gonna get
Yeah.
sine theta over.
You just stop using this statement.
Wait seconds. So that would be 1 over 10.
Tangent there.
Oh, because you just.
Alright.
Oh.
Oh, I'm having electric.
Oh, tangent is equal to y over x.
I wrote tangent.
Teachers. Remaining students for B1.
No? No, next time we try. Can I introduce somebody?
We've also played it into them.
No, this.
In a game. Same cloud. Big ball. Big fuck that. I pitched that game. I'm the only one pitch in the ball against Big Cloud. I want you to in there. You got it written down. I know that was after it too. And then- Yeah. I played third when Ethan. You caught me. I did. Yeah.
Do that.
I just eat food based off of randomness.
Hi,
Normally,
say-
normally it's like one.
Miss.
Mr.
It's sweet, nothing open.
Oh, wait, we have no.
I'll take the pepperoni. Okay.
Okay, hey, I have an issue. Is the Sheila coming to show my piece? Sheila? Did she show up to school? Okay, and then did you just kind of give it your own self? Am I allowed?
They were doing the Black History Month.
Yeah. Okay, I'm losing my weight. I have enough. No, it doesn't just, it's just. Yeah, no, it's just like most selfish.
Oh, I was not one.
Baby, yeah, I'm gonna. You pick me to the Okay.
Happens to be super test.
No, Sheila. And I'm gonna call Wills too.
She like skip her test or what?
Huh?
She like skip your test or what?
No, she have 61 absence this year.
How's she gonna get into college?
I know someone with more absence than mine.
Nah, she's raised.
Hello，
Hey, it's yeah, Will 有来上课吗？今天？
哦，他今天没有，他今天在家那个做那个Silence Project。
Yeah, I'm sure she was.
哦，给他有一个考，他有一个考试，他今天应该要考。
哦，是吗？那他几点钟？
他可以下午来，但他今天一定要考完，因为我要把考卷还回去给小孩。Yeah, but he just say I I don't know they I'll text him. 那你也跟他讲一下。
He's not acting like it right now, though. Because, you know.
He's not coming in.
Yeah, I think we'll wait until like. Yeah, I think she's doing. Yes, I think she's still doing good.
Okay, yeah. So I tried to do 3 and 4 when I was in physics. I couldn't.
3 and 4.
I ended up doing the same thing for both S and R and S. I ended up doing the same thing for both R and S.
The way to think about it, right? Is top and bottom. Are you doing R or S?
I'm doing R versus the thing about it is there's no top minus bottom.
yeah.
Because they both,
You show that.
Yeah.
so there's no
So S is easy. S is right here, right? Right.
yeah, S and
There's no top and bottom. Yeah. Right. Is that
Yeah,
like,
oh, yeah.
pay attention?
Yes, that was.
Yeah. And here, this region, right? Look at this region here, right? Right. That's for the physics stuff. Bottom zero. No. It's switch. So you're gonna know, you gotta find out what the intersection is.
Oh, there. No, Trevor, come on. No, okay, come back. No.
Come back. Bottom is top like.
Great. Wait, no. Okay, no.
So it's gonna be like
on him. It's an elephant.
You should have got that one.
Oh, Camp Song. Yeah. Oh, it's not like.
No, hold on.
Yeah.
So you can so this two this is set up. It's plus.
But I actually kind of,
X minus 0
wait, Adam, we need,
plus.
I can help you.
Do you really get it?
Yeah.
What do you need, Adam? I got you. I did good on this exam. Okay, trust me. Maybe sometimes. Okay. Let's relearn all of this together.
Oh, look at the homework.
So is that right?
Okay, so
What is that, are we, okay? You do this, right? It's not like, looks like a,
I don't remember how it goes. Oh my gosh, it's a heart.
looks like a pig.
Literally a
Looks like a pig.
It is a heart.
That's not hard. What's wrong with you guys?
Have you seen
I'm-
Didn't think so.
Wait,
Exactly.
that's a lion.
I'm not pig. I didn't lose it.
That's a triceratops.
Oh, you got it. Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Jordan told me to watch this video.
Do we have homework for this year? I meant, sorry, do we have homework this weekend this year?
You want homework?
Hold on, quick, yeah, okay. Can you, okay. Never mind.
Yeah. I get it now.
The ending,
Okay, what do you mean?
the ending.
So, if that's
Every time you take a gap there, in a coherent way.
It all makes sense.
Lost homework?
Like the.
Where are you going?
It's my history class. I'll put that.
Lucy, I can't believe you agreed to like take off the wallpaper of your kids and just put this on.
These are the kids.
What?
These are the kids.
And switch them out, you know.
Swap them out for new ones.
Exactly.
Is the answer.
You know, it's like when you need new batteries.
Actually, these are older ones.
When you need better batteries.
Better batteries.
Red scraps. Found by the y-axis.
What?
Area of okay. Oh my gosh.
Anything like it.
That's been like a 10-year-old show.
You look like an actor. You look like some sort of celebrity, but I just can't remember who it is.
I'm gonna figure out.
I am a celebrity.
No,
Have you seen iDarby?
You would do the integral from 0 to
I know. Okay,
where
hold on. Let me
the
just
two
grab my
functions intersect of at and minus the integral from 0 to where the two functions intersect of r. And then that would be the area of x.
Maybe I'll show you what it
Then you do the area.
Say that not.
We're going for the area.
That is, you would just write it down and somebody would do the math. And then you do the integral of
Okay, so
the top function from 0 to where r intersects the x-axis, and then you would subtract your first solution from that.
So you just find the thing and then you find the other.
I guess I also solved for s there first, which might be one of the other questions.
You're trying to find the area of
So-
9.
But it's easier to solve for the area of s first than
Figure it out. Here.
You see what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah, you can do that. So you can just
How would you solve for the area of r without finding s first?
so wait, you find the area of like the well like you split R into two halves and then find the integral of one half and then the other half. But the first half like moves up and then the other half.
But then you're gonna have to solve for s afterwards anyway.
If you have to solve for x in the present question, clearly that's the trick.
No, I guess if you solve for r first, then you can find s just by doing the same thing. Yeah, that's the same number.
Yeah, no, but if another part says to find s, then yeah.
My solution would
Remember how last one to the answer was.
Yeah, I didn't realize that too.
how can you do after?
Oh, yeah, I mean, and that's what you can. You can plug in
Different order.
pi over 6
you're gonna get a coordinate, which is kind of interesting.
Peanut butter chocolate.
If you plug in
bar.
0.8.
pi over 6,
I'm gonna steal that. I don't know what
you're
it
gonna
is.
find 6, and then
I like trying to get remember details.
Oh, that's
literal.
it's not-
It's literally like a 4-year-old doing the voice on it.
Yeah, but like, you know, this is like that's
Hey man, let's go.
this one is like what we would like.
yeah,
It's like an adult woman doing that. Child, right?
I don't know.
That's how
Yeah,
animated
you're
it
nice.
is.
I was like, that's fine. Do that. You're supposed to like.
I know.
You actually put it in, like I would do it like that. I'm not doing all that.
this one. This is wrong.
No, that's not it. Oh no, that was Sarah Morgan. She did it. She usually messed up.
Okay, so is this one right?
This Sonic doesn't sound anything like any other button Sonic.
Like, you know.
No, not 1.6.
Yeah.
It's 1.0.902.
Wait, do you guys have a calculator for this?
Because you want to find out the next coordinate of something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you get a calculator on OS?
No.
You say it's 0 over hypotenuse. Right, so like, if it was
You
for,
can't really control it.
like this is just really basic.
Well, you're doing it with a calculator. I got it out.
It's
That's
the
fine.
x. So you can put two separate integrals.
Well, yeah,
And
like,
then-
I looked at that question and I already knew the setup in like a couple of seconds.
You
That
can
is one that's so much.
For you, the way I did it, yes, I said it for R, I solved for S, and then subtracted it from the integral of the
Like
whole,
1x by 2
minus
minus
x.
It's not rotating. It's not gonna be. It's not dy. It's
Does it make more sense that way?
It's
Like, how would you,
Oh,
if you're doing area?
y as well.
I guess you're doing three
But
integrals.
it's harder. You have to convert it.
The first part, so you just, this is the lowest.
But to find S, you would have to do
Go and stop right there.
one function minus
And then
another.
you're gonna do it again for y.
Yeah, to find the area of the it's technically but in the time it would take to think of like that's the other more efficient, you've already wasted time.
It's not, you have to stop right here.
You don't have like many enemies. You can tell like just one thing
Stop.
like this is like a resident, and then that's not stuff like this. But it had to be something. I don't know.
Okay, wait. I want to do area. For this.
I made one really good
Yeah.
shot.
So this line right here. When
Is it
you
like
take
a
area,
movie?
you're gonna.
Yeah.
It's gonna be from.
I just get one thing like that. Just for some reason, I think I would like it's just too much metal stuff.
Watching Sonic. So that's weird to look. It's crazy that somebody just put the whole movie on YouTube.
Yeah. I love this on YouTube today, so while I'm had like ads every 5 minutes.
And what are you watching?
Sonic the Hedgehog movie from 1996.
On average, every single unit of these
Yeah.
is the thing set up with like, you can honestly say this is the hardest one. Well, no.
The kids can be all the
With our company.
So far, it's like this. No, so that's what I was telling you. Like I went to the Yu-Gi-Oh tournament,
Yeah, you
and like a bunch of 35-year-olds. And then guys,
Literally, I need like that. They're basically
I don't find we made it better than that.
and we covered a lot.
It's I forgot what it was. I think it was like a football. Exchange and
Oh, yeah.
and stuff.
Too nice. Too nice.
I don't even
Yeah,
know
you
what
are nice too.
exchange.
Too nice. You guys are too nice. You get to be like tough.
Yeah, that just gets too the fight thing.
Oh, integration technique. You suck. Hard. You learned so much new ways to take an integral. You look, it's actually insane. It's so difficult.
Yeah, because you know.
Yeah.
Oh my god, God, I'm awesome! It's good, it's so hilarious.
Everybody's seen it, like, it's not.
Yeah, Gabe is not like over. He's like nice, funny.
He's not over. No,
Yeah, no,
he's a little distant.
Oh, I mean, Gabe like really only.
About a year ago, somebody signed up to go into the and got the like spiritual.
You are too much. Michael's too much.
Michael,
You are.
You just have to interaction first.
Why?
Xavier has the ultimate combo of nice and smart.
No, I just don't
If
know
you
how
were to add up the nice meters and smart meters, you maximize them.
Yeah, I cannot be made. Like, I can.
Like people usually are not smart at night.
I can be mean garbage.
Yeah, I'm not that smart.
Yeah, I just can't. He's like smart.
He's not.
Yeah, I'm smart in ways that aren't academic. Oh my gosh, I feel bad. Oh my god.
Knuckles doesn't just have his jail pads.
Yeah.
She's not in the movie.
That's just how he is in this movie.
That is kind of nice.
Like the set design is really
That
is too nice.
No.
Doesn't sound like that.
I'm talking to the child.
I'm right.
Sharing over it. No, woman.
Who got a
What about this? Okay,
But he can be tough too. They can be tough. Eggman.
No, it's not the egg.
I'm not nice. That's okay. I can live with it. I'm okay. I don't shin today.
No.
Really honest.
Have they ever stopped calling it the tornado?
I did not know. I kind of established that something.
I said that to my son. No, I think they. I was like, not gonna.
Your son?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah, it's like in the box. The box magazines, you know. Email it.
Oh, let's go on to the next slide. You want
No,
whatever that looks like.
Then he should hate you.
Bullies build character.
Like that, they also build enemies.
That's dumb.
My brother bullied me as a kid.
Are they?
I mean, no, but
I got bullied when I was a kid.
he was very blunt.
Okay, so like. So Samuel
We
was
were
not nice.
like stabbing.
Samuel was not like nice.
Samuel
Samuel who?
Oh yeah, he's how? Bro, he's like there.
I don't know. I mean, it's not like
It's just like it.
He just
he's like, when? Like, he just does not remember me
But
before
like,
this
he's
year.
really smart. Like in contact, he's really smart. He's just like
He's both smart and nice. I don't know what you guys are saying. Just haven't talked to him.
understand you in combat. Like tell him not to do something. If you do the exact same thing like every day.
Yeah, because I do not like this movie.
No, now it's also piss her off. So why do you keep doing it?
I do whatever I feel like doing, and if she can give me a good reason to not continuously do it, I'll stop doing it indefinitely. But if she asked me to take off my headphones, I thought about asking her why on multiple occasions, but there's no point because she wouldn't be able to give me a good reason. Because it's like if the reason is that I'm not listening, that's not true because I just responded to you while wearing headphones. And I mean, like, there's not really a good reason for me to not wear headphones, but I wouldn't be wearing them in the first place.
But that's not very respectful.
Yeah, it's not, but she's kind of mean to me all the time. Like, I started off the year being pretty respectful in the class, and she was mean to me, so I kind of just given up.
Andrew, am I mean to you?
No, you're not mean to me. That's the thing, though. It's like I can talk to you and have like an honest conversation with you, and like you'll give me genuine responses.
No, he did not.
If I try talking
No,
to
even if
you,
we still wrong or something like that.
He didn't do that
So
well.
weird, like the boys in the back of class, they do like shooter games on the.
yeah, they're literally like playing Call of
No,
Duty.
you were too. You
No,
play these games.
I never do that. I've never done that in mystery class. I play like Snake sometimes.
in Minecraft.
Reed is cheating.
Yeah, I have played Breath of the Wild in your class.
That's a good game.
He's not that good. I don't like him.
Oh yeah, that's another reason I don't like her. She's explicitly bad at teaching.
He's not teaching, not gonna beat this.
Can you stop wasting my marker?
No, what are you doing?
No,
I'm taking a forensic class on health.
No, stop. Like, come on.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and do it.
You did it with your fingerprint and come back crying.
You can do it with graphite, but like, don't do it with like one marker. Like,
That guy's expensive.
yeah, seriously.
Marker has
Alright.
money.
Why are you saying it like that?
Marker has money on it.
Okay,
Money waster.
Okay, are you guys doing okay?
What's the double?
Right. Yeah, I feel pretty good about it.
Oh yeah. So the solution we would have had would have worked just as fine.
Now that you are so hard, you and me.
So our solution would have been faster if you were solving problems. Because then you only need 3 integrals to find R and S. They use 4 to find R and S. But if you use the 3 method, you would find.
I cannot. 150 Y, but it's just hard.
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, if you find the area of S first, it would only take 2 integrals. And then finding R, you would only need to take 1 integral of 1.
Robin can take it like.
I'm just saying.
About her sister's name. For the 2 hours. And she's gonna play golf. Yeah, man. No,
Oh yeah, we did that. Or whatever. No, I just don't like it when you do that. When you bend it hard. Yeah, I went like.
No, you're right.
Yeah. If I ever, I promise you, Xavier, if I ever break a ruler, I'll buy you 3 new flexibles.
No, it's fine.
It'll be my fault, and to be honest, I brought it on myself at this point. I'm making.
I don't like all flexible rulers. I like this one specifically.
Why? Do you like the brand?
Like, it's not too flexible. There are some rulers that are just too flexible and it becomes a little bit useless.
I think I'll buy the same brand.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, wait,
Don't worry
it's
about
cost 7. Like this?
Okay, let's still jump that point. And we'll find out.
Andrew, you've done so much for me. Like, I would never like have you pay for it.
I'm so glad you think that, but I don't really think I've done that. I really think.
Yeah, this boy kind of bothering. We're gonna go kick his ass.
What happened?
What did he do?
Huh? This boy always harassed my student.
Who?
My girl student.
Which boy?
That?
Okay, Andrew wants to fight.
No, I don't. I don't like getting in fights.
You literally yesterday were like, I would fight anybody.
That's a joke.
No, I'm actually
You're not hurt a soul.
I got fight one time, and then I felt it, so I stopped fighting.
Wait,
Just let the other kid
are you
fight.
inside something?
I mean, I got in trouble because I was like, I want to fight you.
Are you studying on Sunday?
Everybody not hurt a soul.
She wants to sign something, like, I'll help you stuff. I really just want to.
Help.
I just do it in the trust test.
Just let me know. Just let me know.
Yeah, I'm rusty. Yeah. I'm
Russ,
rusty.
if you need my lunch, just let me know when.
Are you actually gonna?
No, I'm not embarrassed this kid.
No way.
Yeah, make it look.
Challenge him to a fencing duel.
No. No, you go to the wall. My student.
One of your students.
What's he trying to like?
You like
He
acting.
likes her.
Oh, he's trying to like. Oh yeah.
What?
That's okay. I
Hold
get
hold
it.
on. Push or like wall slam, like
Okay,
that.
if you think.
Like,
Yeah.
Dude, if you take the context skills, we get it. So
Like-
yeah, go kick some ass.
but like not consensual.
No, she's too nice to fight back.
Oh, has this person gone to after school tutoring? Like,
Huh?
have I seen this person before?
Eliana.
Ariana?
Wait.
I'm doing the guy.
They shouldn't have really short hair.
No, we haven't seen the guy. He's probably.
She's kind of darkish color.
Is she your second period?
She's my 6th period.
Oh, good stuff.
Ariana?
Eliana.
That's why. Is there like legal
You go
repercussions?
fight.
No, I'm not embarrassed.
What's up, stupid?
So he
You're
did
done.
No, it's like technically just like when you have a kid and you like push it. I'm like, dude, I like that.
Does he say anything?
Did you already confess to her something and she said no?
No, I asked her. I was like, do you like her? Or
Is
like,
he like
no, it's a freshman. And she's the junior.
How what does he look like?
Right?
What does he look like?
There's a tall freshman.
He's black.
Oh.
How tall is he?
He's about, probably
Oh, I
he's
think I
fine.
know who you're talking about.
Jordan?
The freshman?
That's a freshman.
What?
Yeah.
That's not tall. Like, yeah.
That's pretty tall for a
I
freshman.
think I know who you're talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
I think something.
Yeah, I guess.
I wasn't
Six
tall,
something.
but six something.
How do you know? No. Nah, that guy looks
Listen.
Yeah, you're definitely taller. Wait, Andrew, he's taller than me, right?
Yes.
Guys, literally, I don't know who.
I'm so glad he paused to be nice.
Literally.
No, I wasn't trying to be
What's
nice.
about to go down in that hole?
Oh, wait, actually, we gotta go, like, right now.
No, wait, hold on. Yeah, he did know it. He did know it. Fine.
Whose snack is this?
I don't know, but
It was
oh,
sitting right here.
That's
Yeah, but somebody left one here and I'm stealing it because I want it.
Oh, have a good weekend.
Bye.
yeah. So this will be a rotation.
Nah, whatever. They all.
Why? Thank you. Why? So you're gonna go up and up. So it's like just two and two and go.
I appreciate it.
Oh, you want to see the?
What's wrong?
Oh, we want to see Mr. Yang face on the side.
Is he actually doing it wrong?
Well, I
No,
mean,
no talking.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because it gets a little like intense. I kind of want to get up there quick.
The other one is just
Is this two bounds? We have, why is it gonna be two bounds? Is it just one bound that's already inside the thing? You're on the y-axis. So it's going, the full thing, middle, that.
Oh, wait a minute, wait. I can handle it on my own.
Anything happens to Mr. Yang, run. She's a sophomore. She has classes. I know. Yeah, no, I'll wait for like 2 more minutes.
Yeah.
I didn't say
which building? The
you know what today is?
Well, it is. It's like what building? 500.
You know, so like, it was like.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. I'll say next,
You guys know what he's talking about? He's gonna put it on the-
No, you can pick his
No, we didn't give it back.
You coach too.
Yeah.
I'm not getting out of team.
Yeah, get him.
I'm not getting out of team.
He didn't do it.
What?
Fine.
Can I talk to my player here?
Yeah. So you walk past my hallway today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you kept walking. I don't know.
Wait, Mr. How do I know if it's charging or not?
You know, it doesn't.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh wait, no, it turned on. You know where my inspire was? The problem is this body.
And then Monday, yeah,
I'm gonna make my name. Okay. Oh, science Olympiad. That's not what you job. Is that why most people just go?
Yeah. No, David literally told us all this shit. But I didn't know
Bro,
about
he
that.
didn't tell me that. I would have done that. No.
Oh, please give me a go for both of you, please. Give me like I got your bag.
Okay.
Nice guy. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Big guy. Alright. Please no, please.
Oh,
It's not that
Bag.
Yeah. Huh? No, the senior skip day. I know you won't skip. I don't know. I kind of want to see her skip because I want to see her pass now. She's skipping. All you did. But don't skip.
I fell asleep last night at 8, so I forgot to do the quiz.
Oh my god.
We gotta do the quiz. Zero out of I was gonna do it. I was getting all prepared and stuff. And then I fell asleep. So. Oh, no, I didn't.
All right, so one more question. And then, any?
Read? Read.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, I'm not posting homework on the canvas anymore. You pissed me off.
Because I didn't get the whole one.
Wait, is this gonna be all through?
Yeah, I'll add you in the group chat. Anybody else not in the group chat because I have enough of. Huh? It's like it doesn't allow me picture from my iPad anymore, which most of the time I do it on my iPad. And it takes me like 10 minutes to post stupid things, so. It's.
How we did that?
Like. I can't even get out.
Wait, I think I.
Oh, damn.
Isn't it top?
What's over there, man?
Right.
Yeah.
But I can't even connect to it.
What do you mean? Oh, what's part of it?
Connecting.
Because it doesn't work on school Wi-Fi.
It does
Yeah.
work, but it just doesn't work. So I cannot upload pictures, so I
Not
cannot.
in this.
Oh, I'm
Looking a little light.
So is it all gonna be through WhatsApp?
Yeah, and trust me, Savia can send you multiple copies. I have a very good secretary.
There's the used to like share a link.
What? Oh, no, no.
You know that
That's my home line. My home line's broken.
Please, some homework.
No, you can move it to wherever you want. You can move to.
Did you do alright?
Home line looks like on the phone. That's
Huh?
assisted touch.
Did you do homework?
Okay, I don't have a home
No?
button. Home button doesn't work, so I had to use
Why?
the button.
Huh?
Oh, God.
Evan, you've been off recently. Can you tell me what's going on?
No. The button, bro. Actually, yeah, it's not actually.
What?
A lot of pressure to yeah, dude, like, why you turn it off?
Debate?
Dude, the settings?
Okay, you gotta learn how to handle the things.
You're right. Not double click, triple click. I think what if I download a game, will that be added back?
But you gotta do the work. Hey, try to do the work right now.
You're spamming too much sometimes. Yeah. I start watching a YouTube video like this. Triple click for you.
Okay, I'm gonna post the answers, and you guys know how to use calculator, right? All right, so that's easy part. Okay, so let me post the answers first.
Pick someone's phone. Give me. How much? This sucker has like a phone box, and everyone puts their phone in there.
Yeah, I'll bring it back. Okay, here's the answer for the first one.
This guy putting the side on there, bro. Do work? Oh, okay. Can somebody send her the copy?
Wait, so, so give you a test,
No, the main thing is I don't know. Did you just add somebody?
While watching your video.
Bro.
So,
Let me see.
like, cause like, I went off of the bear question and like. Sorry.
Overestimate. Okay, less than 0. Don't remember that's the right answer. Wrong answer. There's one more part here. You have to use the equation tangent line and find out how many bear there is, or how much the weight is. Which is if you look at
The A part?
B.
I'm not seeing any of the things.
Ask Sophia. Sophia will send you a copy.
I have no idea how to add, but I see them all over. Does anybody know how to add?
You're the admin, right?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, I think it's I'm starting to do call.
Oh, that's out of our system.
Yeah.
I'll be a link. QR code. There you go. QR code.
What? I forgot my other calculator at home. No, that's not good. I forgot how on the floor. I was looking at my bag.
You need to add it to the WhatsApp group?
Oh no, I got it.
You sure?
Once some. Are you not in the website? She's laughing at me. You. What is this? Huh?
You might. It's blocked on school internet. So.
What's that?
No, I didn't know.
I know. Yeah.
It works with VPN.
Do you know how to turn off? Do you have Google Sheets?
Yeah.
You got your Wi-Fi.
Turn your Wi-Fi on.
Hold up, let me turn that thing on.
I just turned it on.
Yeah, why was it on?
What? Because you told me to test it without it. What? My wife used to. No, it was an accident because I don't have a phone case anymore.
I would put it on silent.
Oh, yeah, you're right. How do I do that?
Yeah, because with
How do I do that? Oh, do I turn on notifications?
yeah.
Okay, I have to up you and you get
Yeah, that's right. What, you think I use WhatsApp?
I don't know.
No, I don't even use that. I talk to my mom on the IMS.
You guys yet?
Are you drilling? Yeah, I'm in.
Football? Got it or no?
It's just, I don't know
Did you say
what
something
that.
to Jonathan to give you a credit?
Oh, you don't.
No.
Sorry. And I gave him this.
That's not your homework?
Yep.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah. Makes sense.
Whose phone you grab? You lost your phone?
What about basketball? You know, like having like a.
Yeah, who's?
I think Sebastian.
Oh.
We're all at the same phone too. No. My case room's I just
Are you able to get it?
No.
Are you able to get it or no? Or you just didn't download the app yet?
The app won't download. Nothing.
I want to ask you one. Yeah. Can't download the app.
Oh, you're sitting on the file. Yeah.
Because smart cookies.
Vincent, do your homework?
I didn't know there was smart cookies.
Okay, get to work.
Yeah. I will.
Keep your school though, please.
I will. I feel like it's permission.
What? You're gonna hear that a lot this March.
Is the first question for part A 9?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I got 9. I got 9.
Hold on.
Yeah.
No, it's not. I don't post on Canvas anymore. Canvas pissed me off. If you ever need a copy, somebody will send you a copy through WhatsApp. You on WhatsApp, right? Just ask Safia. Can you send me a copy, Safia?
Where's the 64 over 3? What's part T for there? It's under like Sorry. Wait. No, the A is 9, T is 6.
2.65.
I love that.
Oh, you gotta make sure your things are radians. Do I have to change it?
Emil, your face is way too big.
Really?
You guys put that? You guys put that?
Well, no, I didn't put it.
It was your idea.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. He did on accident.
Oh, okay. He's
He was trying-
backtracking now.
he was
He's
trying to put it
backtracking.
as what do you call it on the video? Just
Thumbnail?
Thumbnail. And he clicked some other button and put it as a wallpaper.
Oh, he said it was your idea.
No, it's like fine.
Raghav stab you in the back. You gotta be careful, that brown boy. He said it was Emil's idea. I quote Emil's idea. But stream is probably your idea. At least you own up to it.
I told Jonathan they were like, sure I couldn't do anything about it. Sort of, but each weekend I was like, you know what? So I came to my backpack with
Oh my god, my trajectory is an insect.
he didn't have a heart for gym.
Right beside, you might do.
It's too big.
Can you just chop it off?
Yeah, I don't intellectual thought. I mean, yeah, yours are like, me and Brian said that.
Don't worry.
But it's like,
Me and Dev already on plan B.
it's so
Have you tested it?
yeah, I tested it and it was working good. And then, like, yeah, it goes exactly.
And you're able to stand far enough outside the boat.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Where's his wheelchair?
No, that was
What?
For the first one.
You gotta figure out. I already did yesterday.
Yeah, you know more.
Oh my god.
it wasn't even good either.
Bro, I'm sure. Honestly, Brian's was good. He just didn't. I'm not sure.
Okay, does anybody need help with anything? Help you with jump shot? Last night I don't have a jump shot. Maybe. It doesn't exist.
Oh, you and that's national one.
I would be one last night.
What were you looking for?
For gray? For A?
For 100% on his homework grade. No, that's not A, bro.
1B1 for your grade. Okay, so what do I do? What do I get if I won?
You can see his grade, you go even farther down.
Don't test for it. Don't test for it.
No more test corrections?
Bro, what you say that like you're considering
You
it?
just see your grade doctor before. I would not let that slap me first time.
That's second try. That's second try you do.
Nah, bro. The threat is when you lose, you say double or nothing.
There's nothing to double.
You have to do all homework.
I mean, I'll do that without. I will.
Can't do it alone. Can't do it all homework. Can't do it all homework.
Does anybody need help with anything? Amir, you got everything?
All homework, not lunch.
We get it.
Okay, I know some of you guys.
Go back to the beach. I couldn't see. No, like.
Oh, if you lose.
You're right.
You have decisions come out today.
Yeah, that's never the
There's like a countdown on the UFO.
No. They're just playing.
Is this what you do?
Playing with us now.
Nah.
The bar.
Oh, I'll be working too hard on that Wi-Fi lab, you know.
No.
Yeah, you didn't read the question.
Honestly, I'm on.
I don't know, Devin, you've been slacking.
Are you serious? I don't check my reminder.
Do you not every time I go? But isn't this the reason you have to equal to 18? Did you get your
Oh, me neither.
No.
Did you see your picture?
I think I put it in your book, but I think I like the little airway, so I don't even know how it looks.
The breeze,
Wait.
Wait.
Yeah, it is beans to it.
There's a free one though.
Wait,
There
there was a free one.
was a free one?
I know, I know one. I know there's a school one. I But my mom wants me to do it. Do you split your any adjustment?
Oh my god.
Oh, I didn't do that either.
All right, I'm gonna airdrop you the homework.
More homework. Wow. If he gave you the shirt inside out, like. Wait, I thought we were doing. I put it on. No, we don't. They did like, oh.
You bet you know we're comfortable with saying like who got 100%
They tell you.
I didn't get that. I didn't get the email with the actual list.
I like a. I like it. I just don't really check it.
I'm airdropping you the homework. Somebody can post on WhatsApp.
I did turn. I need. I think no. I didn't get it yet.
Austin. iPhone, Madeline. I don't see Ariana. I don't see S9.
Is the blue on the side? It's good. Blue on the side's the answer, right?
Yeah, that's the answer.
Okay. That's the answer. It's like same numbers.
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome. But you got some paper back in? Yeah. Thanks.
Ariana, got it.
Appreciate it. I should be up there. That's a nice paper.
Vincent, Ariana, you go back to make up this homework.
I will. Double homework this week. Nah, that won't be a problem. One for Saturday, one for You'll see. It's gonna go actually the same. I never got it.
Huh?
I didn't get it. Oh, what's wrong with her?
My airdrop's racist. Who's Gocho? Oh well. ESL?
Yeah.
I don't see S9.
Yeah.
Oh, there is. Alright. I insist. Me and Safia was gonna send you multiple copy of homework. All right, so we're gonna talk about this. So do I need to help you with the yesterday's homework, or you got it? 4? Okay, what's wrong with 4?
For 3.
But did you try it?
Oh, I tried 3. No problem.
You try with 3?
I just didn't know where to start.
What do you mean?
I just didn't know where to start.
3? You had to break it to 2 sections for, well, at least you gotta be able to do B. Do you know do B? B is easier than A. Yeah.
So, could you go back to the answers you got?
Because I have a trust in you, I have a trust in you, it's actually.
Well, I mean, I think about you.
You okay?
I don't get it.
Oh, for 3, you had to use a calculator, right?
Oh, yeah, I'm thinking about it. It's not bad.
You don't have a calculator?
I can just check out one at the library, right?
You can check out one here, but you're gonna make sure you take you have to give it back.
Is this R?
For like my own use.
Yeah.
I had
But you have to give it back. If you don't give it back, I'll murder you. As a promise.
Okay.
That's good. Yeah, you should have done that yesterday. Yeah, so
Three, yeah. Could you go to four? Three, huh? You said. Nine.
I think if I blink it up.
You're not taking a picture of that. You're gonna learn how to figure out how to do it.
I think it'll leave before I do.
Yeah, good. You're supposed to do that yesterday.
You know, you do a. Why the question line I read is broken. Oh, forward. Line I.
C is the hardest here
See, why would you? Can't you just?
because top and bottom are different after 4. After 4, it's just a triangle. It's a straight triangle. Before 4 is actually a small, like, small shapes. There. And it's top minus bottom. What do you mean? Not supposed to be.
They're being treasure. Yeah. No.
Okay.
What's up?
I'll see if I can. I don't know, do you-
So you can't see, like, you can't just make it from boundaries from.
Oh, whoops.
Because they change. The lower inner curve, it changed from 4 to 6. The inner curve is actually 0 from 4 to 6.
What's going on here?
Some people don't understand C. You have to cut it to 2 sections. If you don't cut it to 2 sections, you cannot do it. Vincent, stop looking. Work on your own because you did the homework. Because that side between 3 to 4, top and bottom is different than 4 to 6. Do you see that, Austin? So yeah, it's different.
I thought it should be one. That's the first one. Why am I mistaken? Oh, this is how that's like that. He distributed. Yeah, you distributed. You have. Yeah. I mean, if it's slow, when it's at one, yeah.
Yeah, it's slow in the side form. Yeah, it's like.
Also, that's 0.4 point. Yeah, it's distributed. Point is it's slogan.
Austin, what you don't get? Slate, you got everything?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay. Emil, you got everything? Asnai, good?
Yep.
Okay. Austin, go ask Emil for help. Alan, you got everything? You got everything for homework? You understand everything? Okay. Your test is on Tuesday. I know some of you guys senior skip day. You're not showing up on Monday. But that's you on your own, but your test is on Tuesday.
That has to.
Huh?
That has to.
Yep, but you're not supposed to copy. You're supposed to do it first before you look at answer key.
Yeah, but I want to check because this correct. I got okay.
Yeah.
6. Oh, shit, I got found out.
Yeah, you just need to do them. Devin, I'm kind of disappointed at you recently. Huh? Okay.
I'll get it done over the weekend.
All right.
Can I draw it out? Like, how, like, I'm like.
Sure.
Why is it mine?
Or you can eat my other money. It's top minus bottom part.
What are we laughing at?
What do you mean?
Hey, was there any lessons today?
What?
Was there any lessons today?
Yep, there's a new lesson today. It's also going to be on the test.
Oh, yeah.
Is it recorded?
I see why.
Huh?
Did you record? Like, is that on YouTube?
I'm going to record it in a second.
But like, gee, if it's from like the
The way you draw that graph is not correct. That's not straight down. That curve is going a little bit. That's not how they look. There you go. There you go. Good.
So like, if it's from the boundary of like 3 to like 3 to 6.
You get it? You get it? Emil, can you help out your boy Austin?
You see that straight line? Yeah. Yeah, so it's
Your boy.
it's on, like, the top of the tree. You subtract the bottom one.
Professor, what's your last name?
That's like
Abdullah. Professor Abdullah.
So you're subtracting that from negative 3x plus b.
Wait, are you? Can I ask? Are you? You are Muslim, right? Or Hindu?
Not the one you usually think of.
Huh?
Yes, not the one you usually think of.
What does that mean?
There's like different.
Shiite and
Because
what are you?
Are you Sunni?
Shiite.
Oh, are you Sunni? Or B, right? Yeah.
Hurry up.
You know what? Because the other function isn't affecting R.
What's the question?
Which is this one.
Why would
He
you
doesn't-
split it?
R, like R. Yeah. That other function isn't affecting it. So you don't have to subtract anything from it. So this is the top, which is
Like that, right?
Yeah.
If you split it, okay. If you do it right here, and you're also getting all of this, what you have to do is you put it here, and then you subtract to get this area.
No, sir.
Because then when you rectangulate
Whoa.
up until that cutoff point right here, that's still together. You'd still get 2 arrows until here you get 1 arrow.
No, but we're not rotating, are we?
What?
We're not
Still
rotating.
for,
Are we?
for area.
Yeah, that's the
You
area.
still have 1 arrow, 2 arrows versus 1 arrow. Because you at that point you're still over this graph. I don't know if that makes sense. That area is getting smaller and smaller. But here, once this hits 0, that's your cutoff point. Now this is just a triangle.
Let's see. For 1, B.
I'm looking so like seconds is like all here.
Okay.
This part.
When you have any kind of
1B.
curve, it's a bigger curve.
Yeah.
If your line hits it at that point,
Yeah.
it keeps going. At this point is where it hits 0.
Serious.
That means
Oh,
right
where
above
the-
there, the rest of it becomes a triangle. At
1B.
this point, you
Yeah.
can't just say it's a triangle. it's a
Today?
curve.
You don't know how to do
You
that
have
yet.
to do this curve minus
No.
this curve to get this area. It's just
I'm gonna
one
teach
separate
you.
section.
I got the same answer.
Oh, the area probably be fine.
It says find the volume of the solid with base.
Wait, what did you make by like including like?
I still got the same answer.
No.
All it's saying is,
Yes.
like, from the x-axis,
Bad.
in this section, after it hits 0, you only have 1 arrow up. That's the only graph above it. Here, you have 2 graphs. You have the outer one, which is the line, and you have the inner one, which is the curve. So if you do outer minus
No.
you get this area. Plus,
Who are you talking to like that? Oh my gosh.
I feel like a mall.
Oh wait, is it like because like
it like curves like into it. It goes like this curve part.
yeah? Wait, I think I understand what you're saying. So like, so if this graph were like going or whatever, right? If I were to
But
do-
you're not worried about that. So.
Yeah, I know, but I got 6. That means that I would subtract it.
I don't know how to explain it. You could try graphing out in Desmos or something and looking how it gently goes into the curve.
Okay. All right, we're gonna move on.
No. How do you determine what? Like I know it's